scrolling all the way down. Oh wow, this file's getting long.
Yeah.
Okay, I kind of want to look before we go there. Let's look at this. Okay, interleave we saw together. So let's look at sort. Did we do sort together?
Yeah, yeah, we did.
Okay. Okay, by the way, this sort is called insertion sort. So there are many ways to sort a list, many algorithms to do that. Insertion
Yeah.
sort is one of it. Insertion sort is an outcome of following the template.
Right.
It's actually one of the worst sorting algorithms, but it's pretty good if the list is mostly sorted. But anyway, that's like a different discussion. That's more on algorithms. But
Yeah.
that's yeah. That's why you call it insert number, right? That's why it's called insertion sort. It keeps inserting the
Mm.
number into a list until it's sorted.
Yeah, I like have some knowledge about like sorting algorithms.
Hmm. Huh. Yeah, looks good, looks good. Let's see. Now
I
list
tried to
this.
make like many examples for the functions,
Template
not for the
looks
templates, of course.
template looks right. First, so the template is almost right, but the line 489, the first,
Okay.
what type is the first?
Uh, the first is a num list, yeah.
A num list. So what can we do with num
Mm.
lists?
Okay. What can we do with num lists?
Yeah.
Like,
Remember, when we reference a data definition, what should we do?
oh, sorry. Uh, my bad, of
All good.
course. How would it be? Uh, hmm. Oh, so uh, it would be like num list first, yeah, but like num list template first.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, whenever it refers to a data definition, you have to use the template on it. It communicates the
Mm.
idea that you might be doing something with this thing. And I'm pretty sure if we scroll down, we'll see that.
Yeah, yeah, of course, yeah. Um, it makes sense, yeah.
Okay, so let's look at two-list intersection. I want to look at your test first. So let's see, you have
Mm.
empty
And some list
and one,
is
two.
empty, of course.
It's a pretty good test case. Number two is pretty good. Two, three, two, three. Yeah, that's decent. Find list intersection. Okay. I should run. Wait, let me run this first. All this passed, right? Okay.
Yeah, I think
Very good.
so.
Very good. If list contains NO2, um, hmm.
Did I do something wrong or
I would say it's not to say wrong, but
okay?
line 522 to 525.
Yeah,
Notice how you're breaking down the rest.
right.
So I personally would prefer this to be in its own function, 523 to 525.
Okay.
Yeah. So the rule of thumb is one function should only break something down once, right? Whenever you use cases, you're
Hmm.
breaking it down, right?
Okay.
Uh,
Because it's oh sorry, what I do? It's like looks complicated, yeah.
part of
if
it is it looks complicated, but the second idea is it's about like division of responsibility, right?
okay, okay, it makes sense.
But this is fine also, but I would say I'll prefer it to be its own function. Okay, so let's see what you do it here. If it's the whole list is empty, it's just empty. Otherwise, you take break down the first and rest. If the rest is empty, just produce the first. Otherwise, listen to this action first. I see. Okay. Um, we'll revisit this idea in the future,
Okay,
but yeah, I'll talk about this in the future. Notice how like when you're dealing with the last element, you have a different behavior for like different code for it.
yeah,
Yeah, so that's a different idea that we'll talk
okay,
about.
okay.
Okay, yeah, I'll accept this for now. Let's see. Oh, I think that's it, right? Wait, is there a power list?
Oh, I didn't do a power list. Yeah,
Oh, it's okay.
my bad.
No, it's all right. Okay, we'll save that for next time. For now, this is okay, but I want to move on to a new idea. So
Yeah, I
let's.
forgot. I like focused on the intersection so much that I forgot.
Ah, it's okay. Yeah,
Okay.
that one's an interesting one.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's my task for you. I'd like you to define two functions. Well, actually, I want you to. Okay, define two functions. For our purposes,
Okay.
I'll allow you to skip the test. Actually, you know what? No. Write the test. Write the test. Um, so this is gonna take a while, but there's a big payoff at the end.
Okay.
So the first one, I want you to double each number given a list of numbers, and the second one gets the length of each string given a list of strings. Okay, good luck.
Uh, wait, I might take a sip of my tea
Hmm.
before I do that. Okay, so the first one, okay, it's like, it seems easy, okay? So it will be numbness to numbness, of course. Yeah, and copy that. Mm, where is our numbness to numbness template? Oh, it's so far up. Here it is.
Should move that down. I think you will refer to that for quite a bit.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'll bring it down. Keep working.
okay, okay. So it'd be like double list. Okay. So if the empty is of course empty, if the list is empty, we have nothing to double. And uh, if we have like uh, the number and the rest, it would be like num list of num times two and double is rest. Uh, I suppose I was supposed to like write test tests first,
Okay.
but
Uh, yeah.
my bad.
That's okay. For the strings, you can do the test first.
Okay, okay. A double list of what? Empty is empty double list
Nice.
of uh, do I have some num lists? Yeah. Lists of list of nums is uh I must scroll up a bit.
That's why I like to name my examples with their contents so I
Yeah,
don't have to scroll
but
up.
I know what is in it, but uh, I don't want to write that again. Hmm.
Ah, okay, I'll show you an easier way to write all that later.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Uh,
Okay, for now, it's okay with two tests for now.
okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
just two tests. In the future, I want it to be more robust, but for our purposes, two tests will
Mm,
suffice.
of course. So we'll run
Okay,
it.
looks good.
It's
All tests
looks
pass.
good. Yeah, it was like quite an easy one, yeah.
Yeah.
A string list, yeah, we must define a data type, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, okay, so data list. Uh, it would be like similar to num list. Uh, do we have to write, yeah, like, hmm, I would say first to not mess up the like syntax by saying string. It's that, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep, looks good.
Yeah. And
Mm-hmm.
and the end of it. Okay, do I need to like write an interpretation? Yeah, I will do that.
Yeah.
Okay. Mm, would be. Oh, do I have to make a template? Yeah, I think so. Would be string list to I don't know what.
I want you to write the examples first.
The examples, of course, of
So for
course.
our purposes, we only need two. Just keep it simple.
Okay. So mm, I will be specific just for you.
Okay, very nice.
Uh, is that equal size? Yeah, is like that, yeah?
Yes.
Just oh yeah, I did. Yeah. A string if I don't know. It's double quotes, yeah?
Yes. Actually,
Okay.
single quote also works, but either is
Just
fine.
like in Python, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
And let's make the
Okay.
other example the empty string.
Empty string? Yeah, of
Yeah.
course.
So you remember
So
there needs to be one example per
mm,
case, right?
okay.
Well, you can call it empty dash string. You have to call it something different.
Oh, sorry, sorry.
Yeah, all good.
I can call it no string.
Yeah, perfect.
Uh, can I just like do
Okay,
this
good.
like that?
Very nice. So it looks like we can create examples.
Yeah.
So our data definition is tested. It's well formed. We can create examples, so that's good.
Okay. So Hmm. Template, uh, until type is link list. Hmm. Case link list. Can I just call it like str list form?
Perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, it will be like better, I think. Uh, so you can just copy that. Uh, I have a question, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Would this be wrong if I wanted to add like the uh double dots and string in the cases?
You need the arrow, like empty string arrow, and then
Oh, okay.
the dots. Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's like if we run this now, it will complain.
Yeah, I didn't
Yeah.
write and
I mean, not just the and. Like whenever
yeah.
you do cases, it expects the arrows.
Okay, okay, okay. So yeah, yeah, and hmm.
And
Yeah.
then I believe you do need the dot 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 because you will complain that
Okay.
it's empty. The dot 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 is like an expression that's like
Yeah,
that
yeah,
does
yeah.
nothing.
It's
Yeah.
all right. Yeah, it
It's like a
works.
placeholder. Very
Yeah.
nice. Okay.
So I can just do this to annotate what type is it. Yeah.
So what was that?
I can just use it to like know inside the function what type is it. Like the first is type string.
Yeah. The template
Yeah.
isn't done though. Um,
Yeah, yeah, I know that. I know that, but
okay.
it would be
Okay, that's what you're referring to. Yeah.
uh,
It's a string list template. It's
a
list.
string. Yeah.
Yeah.
No last here. Uh,
Yeah.
uh,
Okay, great.
great. Yeah. Oh, okay. So it will create anomalies actually. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's quite interesting. I can just copy what you
Oh, this is just the beginning, man,
beginning of what?
of the new idea. Like we haven't actually done something new yet.
Yeah.
But yeah, the payoff will come. Don't worry, just keep working on this.
Yeah, okay. I can just copy the function. We have a lot of time thanks to how much students do have.
Yeah, I have very few sessions now.
That's great actually.
Yeah, so I could focus my time more on the students that are more committed. Because like when I first started out, I would think like a bunch of people is going to book every day, right? So that's why I made the
Right.
limits. But I found that as people do sessions, they like gradually drop off. Yeah,
Okay.
except for you. You're the opposite.
Yeah, like because you like put so much enthusiasm into it. So I'm
Yeah,
really
man.
happy to work with you.
I'm
Like
very glad to hear that. Happy to
you
help.
are working with me, but you know what I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
It was like no string, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Mm, what was it called? One string apple is one.
Oh wait.
It's not
Sorry.
one. It's not one. It's num list one and empty, right?
Oh yeah. Wait, length of each string. So that's the length of apple. Like how many characters are in apple?
My bad, my bad, my bad.
Yeah, no, good. I just want to make sure I clear that up.
Five.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
right.
So let's look at line 596. You're saying that the string length of no string is empty string, right?
Okay, so it's not
Okay, yeah, okay.
my bad.
All good. Wait, careful. There are no strings in there. So
Hmm, it would be empty,
that's the num empty, right?
right?
Okay, that's the number version. Yeah. So notice how
Yeah,
the
yeah,
type matters. Okay.
yeah, 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 yes. Okay, makes sense because in line 587 we declared that we are going to return a num list.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay, let's keep going.
Okay, so if it is empty string, we are going to return empty, as we said, but the num list one, and for the rest, we'll return. mm, okay, okay, okay. I will do like this and want to return a num list of something, and the something will be hmm, be oh 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 oh. We can't call like okay, okay, we have a problem because the string itself is like a complex data, yeah?
Oh, yeah, let me send you have to look up the documentation for strings and find the operation that
Mm,
turns it into the length.
makes sense. Like,
It, yeah, it's a pretty standard string operation that most libraries in most languages provide.
I misspelled length again.
Dude, you're gonna have to learn how to spell it right, man. You're gonna write this word a lot.
Yeah.
Unless like you define your own library where it's spelled with a HT.
It would be like funny to like like define it in C++ with the typo.
Yeah, Simon's string library was like exactly the same as the C standard, but the HTs are swapped.
Okay, so it's like this.
Yes,
It's
you found
like
it.
it like differs from my function by a letter. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's quite funny. So it'd be oh, I hate spaces. String length of pairs, uh, and then like I can just place this, but with and s with ns and rest, and just read that, and you are done.
Task. Okay, looks good. Okay, new task.
It would I thought that uh, I would need
Sh-
to like write a function for the uh, string length first, but
Oh yeah, no. So
if
yeah, there
it's
comes a point where like you can't see what's underneath the cover. You need
right,
to just use the functionality that they gave you.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah. All right, so I'm going to teach you a new recipe, okay? This recipe is a question mark recipe. It's mysterious. Okay, I
okay,
want you to look at double lists and string lengths. Okay, because I'm going to move them to next to each other so we can see it all in one screen.
okay.
Uh, so I'm going to put this here. Okay. Don't you think they look kind of similar,
Huh,
right?
like
See what I mean?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So here's what I want you to do first. So this new recipe on line 604, I'm going to write the first step for you first. I want you to identify the similarity and differences
Hmm.
between the two. Then make a copy of one of the functions. or of one of them, and turn
Hmm.
the differences into dot dot dots. Okay, give me start.
Yeah, I love the task that you are giving me. Okay, so first of all, I see that the similarities are that uh, when we are returning, yeah, we are returning the num list, of course, and uh, in the second case, when we are returning the num list, we are like doing some operation on the first one, and we like uh, use the function itself on the rest.
Okay.
Okay, and also we are in the first case we are also returning empty, and that is the end of our function. I don't know. Does the cases count as the function,
Yeah.
or
Yeah, all differences. Yeah, you want to
mm,
highlight all differences. Okay. So I feel like you identify all the differences. Now, can you copy one of the functions and turn the differences into dot dot dots?
right? So with like interpretation above, or like
Um,
it would be like
leave out the interpretation for now.
this, yeah.
I'm gonna just write question marks for for the purpose statement.
Okay. Uh, so what are the differences? The differences that are that you are like, of course, the type of our cases is different.
Mhm.
So it would be like this.
Yeah.
So these are different because the type is different.
Yeah. Okay.
These are different. We can,
Yeah.
but uh, this is different. We could like write down a function that takes a num and doubles it.
That's an idea. Okay. Keep that thought
So
for now, but let's do all the dot dot dots first.
so this would like could be a function, and this is like name.
Okay. There is one more difference.
There is one more difference.
It's a very subtle difference. In fact, we
Like
encountered that difference just now.
it's like this.
Oh, okay, okay, yeah, there's that, but there's another one. Remember, we were writing a
Okay.
test case, we realized there's a difference between empty string and empty num.
Mm,
So yes, the base case is
right.
different. Okay, now I'm going to give you step two of the recipe here. This mysterious recipe. Okay,
Okay.
convert all dot dot dots. Okay, for now, don't worry about the type dot dot dots. Focus on the value dot dot dots. Convert all the dot dot dots into parameters.
Hmm.
So don't worry about the types, but we haven't covered that yet.
Okay. So mm, it would be like arguments, or this what you mean, or
Sure,
like
okay.
okay.
And what is
Uh,
arguments referring to?
Ar okay. So like a type of list, some
Okay.
list. Okay. And oh, can I will do like this, and it would be like
Okay.
this, and okay.
Don't worry about
Okay.
the types for now. Leave the types be. Yes,
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
because yeah, we haven't covered that yet. We'll cover that next.
Okay, okay, of course. So it would be like base case.
Sure. Okay.
Okay, and the second case.
Sure. Okay.
Can I might want to learn how to spell some things. Uh, mm, I will leave the types empty and like function, but
Mhm.
it won't
Okay.
work. Like operation is
Operation. Sure.
uh, okay, and this is like the base case of.
Okay.
Okay, so are we done?
You have to turn them into parameters, right?
Right.
So right now they're just raw variables, but where do they come from?
Mm, I don't understand what do you mean.
For example,
Sorry.
like line 610 list, it comes from line 609, that parameter list, right?
Okay,
But
okay.
line 611, the second base case, where does that base case come from?
Hmm. From the dot, right? We haven't like
No. So remember, we're converting all dot dot dots into parameters. So base case is a parameter, right?
right.
Okay, where do parameters go?
Would it be like this?
Yep. And there's one more
Really?
operation. Yeah, that's what we're doing, right? We're turning the dot dot dots into operations. Oh, but not second case. We're only doing it for the values. So second case is like a type, right? So base
Right.
case is correct. How about operation?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, for now, we are done, but notice there are still dot dot dots that has to do with types. So here's what we're going to do now. We're going to apply the same process, but on types now, on our data representation. Okay, I want you to look at the string list and num list definition, and I want you to do the same thing.
String list and num list.
Okay, for our purposes, I'm going to bring them down. We'll bring them.
Of course,
Okay,
of course.
I'm going to paste them at the bottom, but I'm going to bring them back later. Uh,
Yeah.
okay, let me find a num list. Wow, all the way up here. I'll bring it up later for you.
Okay.
Okay, there you
Hmm.
are. I would like you to apply the same process on these two.
Okay. So it's like this, and
Mhm.
it is the base case. So can I just type it like this? Or
Yes, perfect. Yeah.
and second case, but oh, hmm. Can I do it like this?
Mhm. Okay, I think you're getting the idea. Um, but that's now one idea that I'm going to talk about. What is data? Like,
Data,
yeah, what's the definition of data?
like some kind of like container that we can like store things in, like for example, numbers,
Okay,
strings, or something. Yeah.
so it's sort of like a parameter, right?
Okay, right.
So this is a new idea I'm going to teach you that you don't know yet. We're going to
Hmm.
introduce parametric types, types that are parameters. So I'm going to do this. You see what I just did?
Okay. 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 And
I don't know if
what?
you've seen this in C++. plus plus.
Mm, like in vectors or
Yeah, like when you do like
yeah,
vector,
yeah,
int,
int. Yeah, of
same thing,
course.
same,
Yeah,
basically the
yeah.
same thing. So
Okay.
we call this parametric types. So types can also have parameters. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna do one more thing as well. I'm actually gonna actually no, this is fine. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, but people like conventionally we don't call it data. We usually say something like X
Yeah. Okay.
or like A, but we'll use X for now. Okay, so this is a generalized list type. And now I want you to now that you know this, I want also let's not call it second case.
Uh,
I'm gonna give you a name. I'll just say link for now.
okay, it
Or
makes
like
sense
list. I'm
because
gonna call it list link.
it's lit. Oh yeah.
And base case the filler is a bit long. I'm just gonna call it base.
Yeah.
Oh no no no. Actually I kind of like the name empty. Oh wait, it's gonna be conflicting.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay, there we go. And then data list is wrong, so we're gonna change this to list X. If we run it now, okay, yeah,
Mm,
good. Okay, let's go back to our the function below. Now that you know list X, how can we use list X?
mm,
Oh,
we can.
sorry, I'm gonna rename it to our list X because spoilers, list X is something that exists in the language.
Really? Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
okay.
So my next introduction is I'm going to introduce what that is, but let's just use our list X for
Okay,
now.
okay. So we
Yeah.
can like have another parameter that is like x or like type.
Ah,
Oh,
so
okay.
it
So,
actually does not go there. So okay, this is something I have to show you
oh,
as well.
okay.
Um,
Okay.
honestly, yes, the X has to go somewhere, but I'm not gonna lie, I actually don't remember where it goes. Let me see.
Hmm.
Okay, keep working the rest. I'm gonna figure out where that one goes.
Mm, we have to like correct the data definition. Okay.
Okay, let's see what
Yeah,
you've done.
we will
Looks
like
good.
disconnect in a minute.
Oh, good. Thanks for the reminder. Okay, I'm gonna send you a new
Yeah.
Zoom link. All right, thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Looks good. Let's work on the signature now.
Okay. Okay. So we can't call it list, right? It has to be like, oh, there are so much errors.
Yeah. So let's work on it one at a. Oh wow. Yeah. You.
Oh,
Oh no. It's because I moved the. Yeah, okay. Yeah. I'm just gonna stop that.
oh,
I didn't move them
okay,
back.
no problem.
All right. So yeah. Okay. I'm bringing them back. Yeah. When you say so much errors, you weren't kidding. There's a lot of errors.
Yeah,
Okay. I've moved them back up. There we go. Okay. So I want you to work on the signature next. So that's line 620. Let's replace that dot dot dot. So that's the third step of our process. We con fix signature and remaining names.
Okay. So what do I do?
So line 620, that's the dot dot dot. Let's
Six
fill that in.
620. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it can be like
Well, we can just say X for the question mark.
okay.
Yeah, so we're giving it a name. Okay, what's base case?
Base case is okay, okay. Cool.
Wait, hold on. We
Okay.
we had base case just now, right? On line 624, which is our parameter.
Right.
Okay. So it should be list empty, right? We've already determined that it should be base case, like the word base case. Like the base case parameter of line 622. It should be that.
Okay. So
No. It should be it should say base case. Yeah. Remember,
okay. Sorry,
like
sorry.
from our just now we saw the base could be different, right?
Right,
So
right.
you're referring to the parameter.
Okay, okay. Of operation, yeah, that is correct.
Okay. All right. So line 620, what's the types for base case and operation?
620,
Mm-hmm.
620. Oh, so like,
Yeah. What's the type of base case?
what is the type of base case?
Yeah.
Like empty, right? Hmm. What is the type of base case? It would be like list empty.
Sure. Um. hmm, Okay. But that's not referring to a type, right? That's referring to a specific case of a type.
Okay. So it would be like base case of an X, right? Like of our list.
Mm. You're close. Yeah.
Hmm.
Actually, wait, it just occurred to me. I
All
might have
right.
made a mistake here.
Okay.
Let me think about this. Okay. Leave the base case as a question mark for now.
Mm,
Let's move on
right.
to operation first, because that's one thing I need to introduce before we get back to that. Okay, how about
Okay.
operation?
Mm, it will be like a function, right?
Yeah. So, yeah,
That
okay.
takes like uh what it will take like X type of X, right?
Mm-hmm.
Something of type X.
Okay. And what does it produce?
Mm, the function, right? It produces. No, it's kind of messed up. The function produces mm, also x, right? Like
Okay.
something of type x.
But just now we saw we can go from string to number, right?
Okay.
So the result could be a different thing.
So like the type of like if we are returning the num list at the end, we
Yeah.
must return like a number in the function.
Okay. But yes. But yeah, let's put number for now. Let's put number
Okay.
for now. Okay. Okay, let's pause here because that's now I need to get back to the base case and I need to talk about something different. Okay, the first thing we need to talk
Right.
about is where is this x coming from, right? We're saying our list of x, but what is x? Like if we run now, it should say, yeah. If we run it, it says, oh, what is x? We don't know what x is. Okay.
Right.
So that's one thing I want to do first. First, what I want to do is I'm going to show you a thing that you have been doing so far, but we haven't been doing with function headers. I'm going to move our signature into the function header. So watch carefully what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this. You see what I'm doing?
Okay. Okay.
And for operation, I'll show you the syntax. So the syntax actually looks like this. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's the first thing I want to talk about. So I'm going to delete line 620 now because we just moved it in. So I need to get back to, okay, where is X coming from? This is another syntax of the language. I believe it goes here. So let's run it now and see what happens. Crap. It's not this.
Okay.
Okay. This X has to go somewhere, but I did not know where. Can't be after
Can
the
I
name.
just Google it and
I should try Googling it, just I couldn't find it. But
really,
okay, let's both Google it. Wait, oh, I think I found it. Yeah, it's after the name. I just guessed it.
really?
I got lucky.
Uh,
Okay, I got lucky. Okay, so it's after name. Sorry. I thought it was before the name, it's after the name. So you put
what is
the
okay?
uh so if you notice like 614, the parametric type, angular brackets X, it goes after the name. Same thing with functions. Parametric types go after the name. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, but let me tell you something, okay? This so line 62, the bracket X, and the line 614, the bracket X, these are two different X's. Okay?
What axis?
Like you
Like
see the X in line 622 and line 614?
140, right?
The same way that different functions can have the same parameter name, we can have the same
Hmm.
parameter types, but they're not the same parameters, right? They just share the same name. I could
Right.
change this
Right.
to A. Like, in fact, I'm going to do that. I'm going to change this to A just so we're not getting confused.
Yeah. It's like
Okay?
I can
S-
figure that out. Yeah. It
Okay,
makes
good.
sense.
Okay. Uh, Next thing I want to change is notice how we have our abstract list, but we're still using the concrete num list. You see that?
Right.
So I'm going to change the num list to list. Actually, I have to call it our list of number. Okay.
Okay. Oh.
Um, so
Okay.
that's another change. Okay, now I need to talk about the base case. So in both cases, it's empty, right? But in our abstract list, empty is empty. There's no empty string or empty number, right?
Right.
So this is the mistake I made. So I'm human too. I make mistakes. We can actually you are actually correct. We can just do this
Okay. Okay.
because the our
Okay.
list, what's empty for our list is a list empty. So it's going to be same
Yeah. Yeah.
regardless.
Yeah.
So our
It's
parameter is gone. Yeah.
okay.
Okay. So
But now we need to change the line 6 to 6, right?
626. Oh, the num list.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, what should that be instead?
Like. Okay. It must be. Okay, we are operating on the type A list, but how to get to like a list link of uh, our list of type
Just say
number?
list link. You
Yeah,
just say
list
list link.
link, list
Yeah.
link.
So line 66, num list, change it to list link, and it should work.
Okay, okay.
If it doesn't, we'll figure that out, but it should work. If I run it, does it complain?
Hmm.
Okay, so far so good. All right. Now let me ask you, what is this function doing?
What is this function doing?
Yeah.
Wait, actually oh, okay, because we are calling like the string lengths in the cases, like in the t examples, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So I was surprised why it doesn't work, but we are calling another function. Uh, what does it do? Like nothing really.
It's doing nothing.
Yeah,
I mean, there's a lot of code there. Clearly it's doing something.
yeah, but it is okay. Okay, so it's a template, right?
We don't call it template here,
Okay,
but I get what you mean. It's generalized over a list of something,
right,
right? It's
right.
not specific to list of strings or list of numbers. But
Mm.
what is it doing to the list?
What is it doing to the list? It is like going going over the elements in a list and doing an operation with each of them and then adding them to like a different list, right?
Okay. It's converting each element of the given list to a new
Okay,
list, right?
okay.
Okay,
Yeah, it's
so
converting,
that's out
yeah.
the purpose of this function. Let's change line 6 to 1 to say that.
Mm, uh, yeah, just
Ah, okay, very good. You noticed the next
okay.
thing. You read my mind. The resulting list doesn't have to be a number, right? It could be something
Mm,
else.
right.
So why don't we lift that up to a parametric type? Can we do that? Line 622.
62. So,
Return number to a parametric type that's different from A.
oh, what? It wouldn't be A. So like just the type, right? Like I
Um,
can.
no, no, the X should stay the same.
Mm.
So our list X is correct. Sorry, our list
So
A, sorry. Yeah.
yeah,
Yes, the
yeah.
number should
So
change.
yeah, yeah. But you told me to change the A.
Oh, so sorry, I meant to change the
Yeah, yeah.
number.
The number,
Yeah.
right, right. So it can be like B.
Yes, perfect. Let's call it B. And where does B come from?
Uh, B comes from like our list of. B comes from the operation that we are doing, right?
Well, yeah, but like, look at A. Where does A come from?
A comes from the function, right?
Like,
The
like bracket A, right? On line
bracket A.
start
Yeah,
62. So where should B come
yeah.
from?
All like bracket B.
Yes. Okay,
Really?
so it's something like that, but the syntax, I believe, I'm not gonna lie, I don't actually know. I believe it looks like this. Let's run it and see.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, good.
It works.
So this bracket, right, like the angular brackets, they're sort of like parameters before our types, right? You see that?
Hmm. Like types before our parameters.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
like the parameter for our parameter, but for types.
Hmm. Okay. Do you have
Yeah.
like something like that in, I don't know, C++ or something?
C++, it looks like this as well. In there they call it templates.
Hmm.
Templates is the mechanism that allows this.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway,
I know that we can like return a vector or something,
yeah.
and it
Okay.
would like look similar. Okay.
So I'm going to change the name now. What? So I'm going to give this a name. Conventionally, this is called map. But because this already exists, I'm going to call it our map.
Okay.
This is our new idea. So let's go back to the recipe. So after you fix initial and remaining names, you fix purpose statement. Next,
Hmm.
um, convert the initially similar stuff to use abstraction and run tests to make sure they work as intended. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, so there's actually one more step, which is to change the original, but I'm gonna save that for tomorrow. I want to talk about
Okay.
what we just did today. So,
Right.
um, what we've covered a new idea here, and this idea is called abstraction. So this question mark recipe is actually abstraction recipe on line 605.
Okay.
We call this abstraction. So, okay, what does abstract mean?
Like imaginary or like
Close? Yeah, I'll accept
mm,
that.
okay.
Like when we, like, have you heard the term abstract art?
Yeah.
Like, you're not trying to like make photorealistic paintings, right? You're not trying to like
Right,
make
right,
something that
right. It's
exists. You're
like
trying to like make art of something that is essential, but you don't actually find in the real
it's
world.
like impossible to explain really what
Yeah.
abstract is.
But in programming, it's actually very concrete. Abstraction
Okay.
is when you see many things that look similar, and you take the
Hmm.
similar stuff and put them in one place.
Okay.
But the thing is, when you do that, there will be holes. For example, when we convert, when we double each number or we get the string length of each list of string,
Right.
there will be similarities, and the similarities we put into our map. Okay,
Okay.
we
Okay.
we distill its essence. What are they fundamentally doing? They're fundamentally converting each element of one list to another element. That's what it's doing.
Mm.
We
Okay.
we distill its essence into a new function called our map. That is abstraction. We put all the similarities in one
Okay.
place.
Okay.
But when we do that, we have holes. Okay, what is the operation that we're performing? We turn the holes into parameters. Okay.
Okay.
All right. And the abstraction recipe is sort of the normal recipe, but in reverse. You start with code and you slowly go from
Yeah.
code back to a signature and purpose statement.
Ah.
So it's sort of the orders reshuffle, and this reflects the nature of abstraction. Abstraction begins with what already exists and pulls it down into something a little bit different. So that's why
Okay.
we begin with code. Um, the reason why I wanted to, so I think I introduced this pretty quickly, and the reason why I'm introducing this now is because I want to move us closer to C++. Right now, I don't know if you notice, our code is very different from C++.
Yeah.
One major thing that we differ from C++ is we actually haven't been using any for loops or any
Right,
loops, right?
right. Like
Don't know if you noticed.
I just had to like switch for the recursive programming instead of like iteration.
Exactly. But the
Right.
thing is, this recursive, that is a form of loop in the sense that it's
Mm.
processing through
Yeah.
compound data.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is our first introduction to quote unquote loops, and we're gonna move forward to that in the next session.
Right.
All
So
right.
no homework for today.
I guess power list. Um,
Oh yeah, yeah, I forgot.
Power
Yeah.
list, and I guess do the last step of the abstraction recipe, convert the initially similar stuff to use abstraction.
Okay.
And if you want to go further, based on our previous things that we've done, the previous list exercises, try to use map as much as you can. If you
Okay.
cannot use map, explain why you can't use the map operation.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's it here.
See you tomorrow.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow, Simon. Bye bye now.
Bye.